Guys, thank you so much for stopping by and just watching with me the new video. I decided to upload it today, even I'm like very shattered, very tired, but then I decided that it's time for the new video, so stay with me. Today the main subject which I want to come across is like my best beauty buy, and I want to share with you guys the best skincare cream and eyeshadow and some my wish list which I'm planning to buy, so stay here. If you didn't watch yet my last video with my shopping spree, so please watch back. I just mentioned there the few nice beauty buys as well, so if you're curious, so obviously go back to my last video. But today I want to share with you my best the moisturizer for night which I come across, and honestly I was so desperate to buy. I was trying to find everywhere. I couldn't, to be honest, find this cream anymore. Apparently my colleague said that it is discontinued. I tried to search, I tried to Google up, I couldn't. But finally, I don't know, the miracle happened, and today I finally got on the sale in my shop nearby, and was only for £10. It was clearance reduction, so I decided to just buy two creams. I know that they have had a few more units, but then I was like, if it's on the clearance, so I know from my experience that obviously sometimes it's near to the expire date. So I know that this cream, which actually is a 40 ml, it would last me for at least 2 months because it's the night cream. And I was like, yeah, the 2 units is enough, don't be greedy, just share with someone else. And obviously some people they purchase with me because I recommended, and from my recommendation as well. But straight back to what I want to say, this is the Too Faced moisturizer. It's called, very funny, they always use a name with this funny the names. It's Hangover Pillow Cream, which actually is ultra nourishing night cream. I don't know why they decided to call it Hangover Pillow Cream. Maybe because it gives you the radiance back and a lot of moisture back. Maybe that's why, but it's a very funny name. I really enjoy how they name even the lipstick or the palette, they're launching. So yeah, it's kind of I would say cheeky, funny names. Why I like this cream? To be honest, I'm very fussy about my skincare. I have my whole skincare routine literally lined up. I know what I want to use. I've been using and searching and being in skincare for so long time that obviously I'm very fussy, very kind of put off very quickly regarding what is inside, what kind of ingredients and what I expecting from. But this cream, I actually got the sample, I think, working for ESTEE Lauder company. So I got the sample and was kind of not even sample, was a mini, and really I like so much that I decided search for the full size products. But as I said, I couldn't find anywhere. My colleague said that it's gonna be discontinued. I was like, why? It's actually quite staple cream. It's quite popular as well, the refreshing mist, which was setting spray. And then I knew somehow that in US you can buy still this cream, but then it disappeared. So as you know, from my short kind of story, I decided to buy 2 purchases, and I show you one which actually is open. This is the spare one. Yeah, it's gonna be with me for a long time. So look at the beautiful kind of plastic jar. You would say that it's simple but very nice. And obviously inside, insane, the color color of the cream, it's kind of sparkly, creamy, smell like coconut. If you're a huge fan of coconuts, obviously you would like it definitely. But then they put the stardust, and it's very moisturizing and infused with kind of oils. I try to search what is inside. Honestly guys, when you put the cream on, look how radiant, nourished and pampered the skin is. It's literally like cocooning with something very good. I know that they're searching for ingredients. They said that it's 100 moisturize, your skin feel like 100 moisturize, 94 replenish, 94% healthier looking skin, and 98% luminous glow. This is the truth. You actually waking up with beautiful, beautiful skin. If you look at the ingredients, maybe on the top you can find the ingredients you wouldn't say that they're working very well, but obviously every single brand use some ingredients which actually you can find in every cream. But the most what I find the most like really promising in this cream, so is they use this oil infusion, they use this moisturizing like the ingredient, and what is the most important for me, I wake up like with the skin not dry, very radiant, very luminous, and obviously nourished, as I said. I don't know, like I honestly guys, like I love it, I love it, I love its scent. I love this the coconut like kind of fruity scent, and the stardust, the sparkles, they infuse in this creamy nice texture. And look, the skin looks very, very pretty, and obviously very healthy and glowing. So if you can buy and you still get in your store, Ulta or whatever, Boots or Walmart, they don't sell the Too Faced, because obviously we talking about Too Faced. I haven't actually mentioned the name, but you could see from the packaging. So it's the Too Faced Hydrate Sleep Glow Hangover Pillow Cream. So as I said, I highly recommend to you guys. The second very nice buy is it's ceramide eye cream from Dr Jart. Dr Jart is Korean brand. It's under Estee Lauder umbrella. So again, yeah, they distributing to UK, US, and I think all over the world. And it's very brightening, moisturizing eye cream. I've been using the second bottle, and I can see that it's really like kind of lifting, maybe not lifting, but firming skin, obviously hydrating and give you the brightness. So if you suffer from any dark circles around, so it would be like good buy. I've been actually checking, and I obviously bought, and I show you guys in the previous video, Tatcha, and I spoken with my customer as well, and she said that yeah, she found a very good this brand as well. I've been using Peony eye cream. I will give you the full feedback very soon, but if you're searching for very good kind of anti-aging eye cream, so Dr Jart, for really like peanuts, you don't spend a lot of money. I think in UK it's around the £20. I don't know how many dollars is in US, but obviously it's very good buy. Then I purchased for very kind of nice price, £8 from clearance Too Faced brushes. I'm gonna use them as well, even I have so many brushes. And I want to show you, because my best beauty buy obviously is the all eyeshadow from Too Faced. I'm a huge fan of Too Faced. I don't know why, but I'm finding this brand very like accommodating in terms of like what I'm searching, what I want. And this is my the best palette I've been using. Look like how pinky, how nice kind of the color range it is. I've been using, I think, like 2 months already, no, even more, I think, but I happy with every single eyeshadow palette I ever purchased from Too Faced. I think I only did like one, but yeah, I really recommend if you're looking for good pigmentation, if you're looking for very like variety of colors, this is really good brand to search from. I know that you can find many brands, and some of them on the top and some new like you coming across, but yeah, if you want something good, like this is what I recommend for you. Today I'm wearing, like I completely forgot, I bought from Carolina Herrera. I know that many fashion brands, they launching makeup like Valentino or Prada, Hermes, and this is Carolina Herrera. You can buy refill as far as I know. Look at this pretty like kind of tiger. I have Mini's lipstick as well, and it's beautiful, very pigmented kind of coral red, and obviously it's very long lasting, very hydrating. It looks slightly more like matte. I'm not very keen on matte, but it's honestly very beautiful, sophisticated packaging and very good buy. That's it, what I actually prepare for you guys. Like, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what is your best beauty buy you ever come across, or you bought, or you're searching still because you use and then you couldn't find. Like, I would appreciate all recommendation. I've been searching for very good neck ring recently because of my age. I have had few. I think I have one spare one from Sisley, so maybe I should use it again because I just found the lack of elasticity, and I need something therming very soon. So I would appreciate if you recommend anything as well. Have a good day, and obviously look back at my previous video. I'm gonna put down there so you can easily search, and have a good day and bye.